Welcome. When you see in this video, this message is meant for you for today. What is blocking your path? What is a rock in your path? I feel like I've done this reading a couple of weeks ago now. Not sure. But we'll discuss it again. Maybe this message is a little bit different. So, what's blocking your path? Blocking your path. Blocking your path. Blocking your path. What is this little rock in your shoe that's bothering you? How do you remove this little rock of irritation? King of Pentacles. You're on top of your game. You're doing the best that you can and it's showing, but Justice Reverse is maybe there is definitely wrong. There is a wrong turn that you have made in your path. The Page of Pentacles Reverse. You made a left instead of going a right, but you're taking responsibility for it. No, you're not taking responsibility for it. You're blaming other people for this mistake this innocent mistake. And you're blaming family members. The Ten of Pentacles, you're blaming your family. You're blaming their choices had, for some reason, an effect on you. But it's time to look in a mirror and see that it's you. It's you that is to blame. Take responsibility. Uh, Take responsibility for it. Five of Pentacles reverse. You took responsibility for it, and you're moving on now. You're no longer just dwelling in the past. You're no longer focusing on the family aspect. Strength reverse. You've lost speed, but building up momentum. I'm seeing a train leaving a train station. It's building up momentum. It's building up steam. You need to regain your strength for you to move forward and move on.